Here are some best practices when building your next cash buyers list. First, pull up your market and go into our search filter. Go to lead list, select cash buyers. There is 67,432 cash buyers. Now go to the property details and choose the exact buyer that you need. Start with classifications. If you need a residential buyer, then select residential. If you need a commercial buyer, select commercial. If you need both, select all by going into each subtype and selecting all. Once you've made your classification selection, go to the Residential Property Types menu and tell us the exact property type you need for that classification. To view all types, click Show All. For this example, I'm going to choose single family and duplex that is located within the multifamily property type section. After you choose your classification and property type, consider using the additional property characteristics right below, such as bedrooms, bathrooms. Once you've applied your property characteristics, head over to Owner Type under Owner Information Occupancy. In this area, you can narrow down the type of owner you need, whether it's an individual buyer, a corporate buyer, or a trust buyer. Also, because PropStream has so many records, you might like to narrow your list down to the last sale date. For this example, I'm going to look for buyers starting January 1st of 2022. Another cool feature is the number of property owned filter. This will allow you to find a buyer who has multiple properties. For this example, I want a buyer that has 5 to 15 properties under their portfolio. Now I can hit close at the mid-top corner and my unique cash buyers are here on the right-hand side. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for the latest news and updates on PropStream.